Hello everybody, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in today's video I am going to talk about 10 differences between Java and Python. Number 1. Java is a compiled language, whereas Python is an interpreted language. Number 2. Java is statically typed, whereas Python is dynamically typed. Number 3. Java supports complex learning curves, whereas Python is easy to learn and use. Number 4. Multiple inheritance is partially done through interfaces in Java, whereas Python offers multiple inheritance directly. Number 5. Java uses curly braces to define the beginning and ending of each function and class definition, whereas Python uses indentation to separate code into code blocks. Number 6. Java program runs slowly as compared to Python. Number 7. Any computer or mobile device which is able to run the Java virtual machine can run Java applications. And Python programs need an interpreter installed on the target machine to run Python code. Number 8. Java has great set of libraries, it is widely used, it has excellent tools, and huge amount of documentation is available for Java. And if we talk about Python, it has readable code, rapid development, and beautiful code syntaxes. Number 9. Java is best for desktop applications, embedded systems, web applications, etc. Python is excellent for scientific and numeric computing, machine learning applications, and many more. Number 10. Java backend frameworks are Spring, Hibernate, etc. Java machine learning libraries are Mallet, Deep Learning 4j, MOA, etc. Python backend frameworks are Django, Flask, etc. Python machine learning libraries can be OpenCV, NumPy, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and comment your queries and suggestions. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell so you will be receiving the notification of all the latest uploads. Stay tuned.